Next is epithalon, one of the most talked about peptide in the longevity world. Epithalon gets attention because it's associated with telomerase, cellular aging, and the broader idea of supporting healthy lifespan. And that makes it incredibly interesting to people who are thinking beyond just short-term performance and more about long-term biology. To understand the fascination with epithalon, you have to understand telomerase. Telomeres are protective structure at the end of the chromosomes. They have become one of the major symbols in aging research because of their connection to cellular replication and aging biology. Epithalon is interesting because it enters the conversation at that level, not just muscle, not just fat loss, not just recovery, but the biology of aging itself. Now, anytime we talk about longevity medicine, it's important to stay grounded and scientific. But it's also fair to say that one reason peptides are so exciting is because they invite us to think bigger about what medicine can do. Epithalon represents that frontier mindset. It's one of the peptides that makes people ask not just how do I feel better now, but how do I support healthier aging over time. So the reason epithalon continues to attract so much interest is that it sits on one of the most aspirational areas of medicine, the biology of aging itself. It represents the hope that future therapies may help us support not just lifespan, but a health span.